Up everybody, this is your DK here. People, let me give you some update on Crash 500 and some other pairs again. So this is strategy with price action. Let me quickly show you what it is. So come on. Yeah, bro. Yeah, this is what it is, people. So yeah, click my H4 for me to show you what I've done. I've been milking this pair ever since. You know, when this pair was here previously, when I made that video, when it was here, I bought when Crash 500 was here. That's why I'm saying you must teach yourself on this price action story. So yeah, I bought here and then I took my profit somewhere here previously. Now I was just waiting for this Crash 500 to reach the top trend line. So finally it have reached the top trend line. I caught it here. Here it's where it have reached the top trend line, and then I sold it. Let's quickly look into it, what is happening. So this is H4. Let me click my 1 hour and see, zoom a little bit. See, so let me first draw the support and resistance. This is a resistance level, seem to be a strong one. That one is even where the market make a turning point. Why am I saying it's a resistance level? Where the market reacted many times, so you can see came and it was rejected back here, there, lot of rejection here, as you can see, there, as you can see. So that is already a resistance level and it's a strong one. So so there we go. To let me draw another. This is a support level. You see, you know, you just draw a line where market tested many times is said to be a support or a resistance level. So let me click my 30 minutes time frame and zoom it a little bit for easy identification of the chart. So yeah, I caught this move here. I caught it here. I know it's a support level, I mean a resistance level, and you can see this trend line as well. But I end exactly when the market was here. This market, I was in negatives a little bit, but I knew the market will come back. Why am I saying so? Simply because the strategy, the side was telling me that the market is kind of overbought. That's why I'm saying whenever you're doing price action, you must also use your strategies, the indicators that you place on your chart as a confirmation. So you shouldn't only do price action, because sometimes the market can come at this trend line. This trend line was even broken, but the market came back. I knew it will come back. Or some people could have placed a buy here simply because it broke this trend line. They will think that the market will go up. But for me, I know, according to the other strategy, the market was overbought. And when I add this one, it shows me that it approaches a strong resistance level and a trend line. So the market will obviously turn back. So let me draw another line. I'm now into the chart. If let me just draw another trend line. Not okay, I can put this one right. I want a trend line, a trend line, a trend line, a trend line right here. A good one, a good one. It's very easy to draw trend lines and it's very wonderful. You see this one? Let me place another trend line. Place another trend line. Oh, it's very nice and easy. It's very nice and easy to draw trend lines. Exactly. So this is what happened. Now the market was here. When the market came here, I wanted to take my profit because I know it will bounce. This is even a support, yeah, it's a support level. You see, it's a support level. It's a support level. Let me just place that line for indicating. So yeah, it's also support level here. So the market came all the way, it was overbought, and I sold it. It came all the way from there, and then it break this trend line with a few candles, and then it retested that trend line, and it dropped. So I supposed to take my profit here, but when I woke up, the market is here. So I supposed to take my profit. Now this is another support level. When it goes, and when it goes, because according to the strategy, it's still telling me that the market is going down. That's why I didn't take profit leaving the market. But if it come back, it will only consolidate a little bit here, and then it will go down because there is a strong support level. If this market is to go up, there's a support level, there's a strong trend line, another strong trend line. So the market is seem to be now in a downtrend, just because of those ones. But here down we have got only this small trend line, so there's no big deal, there's no big barrier to the downside. So to the upper side, you can see there's a barrier over here, another barrier here, another barrier here. So I'm just in safe condition. So currently the market is in a nice profit. Let me take you to another pair. This is CRES 500 is in good profit. Let me take you to another pair. Yes, my wonderful people, we are in CRES. We were in CRES 500. Now currently we are in CRES 1000. CRES 1000. This is the sales strategy that I'm talking about. The sales strategy is one of the best thing to tell you whether the market have got a lot of spikes, or the market will have a lot of small candles, those small ones. So there are a lot of candles than spikes, so that's why I took a buy here. I took a buy here. It's where I took a buy, but the market was consolidating too much because I took a buy here. It was just consolidating, and it went against me. It even break this. I thought that the strategy was lying to me, but I yelled and see what is happening in the market. You see this long trend without spikes, and then it add another an extra longer one without spikes. So this is how to go about this market. So this is here, the market was just lying to me. It break this consolidation. I thought it's a breakout, so it will go down, but this is obviously a strong support level. As you can see, the market couldn't go, and my strategy was telling me that the market is oversold. Now it will take a buy. I knew the market, obviously, if the market break this level, this is not really clear, but you will be able to see, break this consolidation. But I knew there is also support level here, a good support level here. The market will obviously stop in one of those two lines, and it will go my way. Currently, as you can see, the market is in a good profit, and the market is right there. That's why we're killing the market with this strategy. Let me see. With my sales strategy previously, when I started trading, I thought when the market is like this, it's overbought. But unfortunately, that's not what it is. So with the sales strategy, let me just see what is happening. Yeah, the market is about to make a big pullback, but in daily, it tells me that the market will still continue. Why? Because this Ichimoku still have to go touch. When but it's going to make a pullback in these time frames. Okay, this one shows overbought. Ichimoku and the accumulation distribution touches level 90, so it shows overbought in all those time frames. Overbought, but this one also has to be overbought. So those overbought, the market is gonna make a pullback. Let me see, like in H4 it will make a huge pullback even until here. That is a huge one. Let me just show you. It's gonna make a huge pullback, and then it continues again. It's going to break that previous whatever. So that is what the market is going to do. You see, it's going to make a huge pullback. Definitely there's no market that is just continuously going up. So for the time being, if I can sell, I will also be able to make a profit from that. It's about to go down, and it is going to pick up again, because only when you hold, because in daily it shows me that it's still gonna move up. I don't know, because I don't really used to hold my trades for that long, but the market, I know obviously it will make that that huge pullback, and it will stop right there. You see what I'm talking about? The market will obviously make a pullback. This is something that I already know, and I'm sure of what I'm saying. That is a pullback that the market is going to make. But if I want to take my profit now, I can take my profit. So that's what it is. Let me see another pair. This is really nonsense. I was in a good profit. This is okay, people. This is Boom 500. I was in a huge profit in the market, just because of the market came off very. This is really nonsense. Let me just check. I just want to see whether I have to take profit or not. Yeah, it will still go up. Here it will go up. I will leave it to go up, but I supposed to take profit in this one. So everything is in profit. Everything is in profit. I just have to leave it. It will go up somewhere here. This is H4, and then I will take my profit, because everything is just in profit with my strategy. Don't play. So yeah, this one is going to go. It's going to go. But I still have to do price action on this one, because this one I just took a trade, because even in daily shows me that it's going to go up, because I trust my strategy. But whenever something that you have to know, whenever this one is on a higher time frame is below level 25, and then you know that market is not going to trend very nice. So it's just going to go up and down. But here it shows me that the trend is strong. It's not really going to consolidate that much, but yeah, this market is soon to go up. It's soon to go up. Yeah, my wonderful people, this is yours DK, currently signing out.